Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School Isapur online classes. This is your English class, and today we are going to study a different kind of school, questions and answers. So let's begin. Question 1. Why do you think the writer visited Miss Beam's school? Answer. The writer visited Miss Beam's school because he had heard a great deal about the school. He heard a lot about this school, so he wanted to see what is so special about this school. Question 2. What was the game that every child in the school had to play? Answer. The game that every child in the school had to play was that each term every child had one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day, and one dumb day. So this was the game which every child had to play in the school. Question 3. Each term, every child has one blind day, one lame day. Complete the line. Which day was the hardest? Why was it the hardest? Answer. Each term, every child has one blind day, one lame day, and to complete the sentence, we have to write one deaf day, one injured day, and one dumb day. The dumb day was the hardest because the children's mouths could not be bandaged, so they really had to exercise their willpower to remain silent and not to say anything unwanted. So they had to remain silent. That was the difficult part for the children. Question 4. What was the purpose of these special days? Answer. The purpose of these special days was to teach the children thoughtfulness, kindness to others, and how to be responsible citizens. So these values they learnt better by living that particular misfortune by themselves. These days make the children appreciate and understand misfortune by making them share in the misfortune of others. So if one child was being blind, having a blind day, the others had to help the child. So the one who was feeling that they were blind for that particular day could feel the difficulty, and the one who was helping this child also understood how he has to be kind to the other person and help them no matter what. Next question. Match the words and phrases with their meanings in the box below. So box is given here. I have typed it here for you. From these word meanings you have to pick the right one and then write in front of these words. I have done 2 for you. The first one is homesick, and homesick means the one who wants to go home, wanting to be home. So this particular meaning suits this word, so we have written this here. Similarly, practically means almost, so almost we have written here, and similarly you have to do these and these meanings are with the context of the text. So in the text practically meant almost, so that's why we have written almost here. Okay students, so rest of these you have to do picking the right meaning from these. Reword these lines from the story. First, I had heard a great deal about Miss Beam's school. Answer. So we can rewrite this as I had come to know a lot about the school run by Miss Beam. Second, Miss Beam was all that I had expected, middle-aged, full of authority. Answer. Miss Beam was middle-aged, authoritative as I had thought her to be. So you can rewrite this line as this next sentence. I went to the window which overlooked a large garden. Answer. I walked towards a window from which one could see a garden of a large size. Fourth, we cannot bandage the children's mouths, so they really have to exercise their willpower. Answer. It is not possible to put bandages on children's mouths, so an exercise of willpower is required on their part. On their part means on children's part. They have to remain silent by using their willpower. So this is what it means. C. Given below is a page from dictionary. Look at it carefully and find a word which means the same as ghastly. Write down the word and its two meanings. So this particular page is given in your textbook as well. You have to see from there and find the meaning of this word and write it. Second one, find a word meaning a part of the school year. So again you will look into this page that is given from the dictionary and find out the meaning of a part of the school year. Third, find a word that means examination. So this is also given in this page. You have to look for it in this particular page in your book. I hope you understood this, children. You have to do this question as your homework and also the word meanings. We will meet again in the next class.